YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you. Super cool etude for learning double stops in violin and polishing your technique, improving things that you've already learned in the previous exercises in this book or maybe some other books. Anyway, there's really valuable exercise because it teaches you how to learn different shapes of intervals and how to quickly switch between them on the at moments notice. So take advantage of those little stops with a little detachment between the notes in the first half of the etude, and then of course when you get into this middle section, the dolce with more legato, make things more smoother and connect the intervals as best as you can to make sure it doesn't interrupt the sound. So there's a lot to learn here, but also apart from just the left hand and making sure that the thumb doesn't press too hard so your hand doesn't get too tired too fast. Find a way to do that and learn how to relax. Pay attention how to not press so hard with the thumb, and that's not easy, but you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. And also how to keep the precision of the angle vector at which you're playing both strings at the same time, exactly together at the same time. And also don't overpress. If you start pressing too hard, obviously that's not good. It's not going to lead to a high quality sound on violin. So you need to find ways how to do that. The sound execution is different when you play double stops. It's not the same as just playing single notes. A lot of people mistakenly think it's exactly the same. It's not. So you don't need to press so hard because you have two strings, which kind of increases the volume of the sound. So don't press so hard. Take it easy a little bit, pull back, and let the violin do the work. Don't fight the instrument. Let it sing. Well, if you guys enjoying the videos, please consider subscribing to my paid site. I have a Patreon where you can, for a small fee, support what I'm doing and show your support. That would be an awesome way to do it. And or you can subscribe to my YouTube membership site, which I think is possibly even less fee. But you can do either one of those or both. Some people do both. I really appreciate your support. It helps me purchase strings, rehair the bow, purchase supplies, purchase the books. None of that is free, so I have to find ways to make this more sustainable for me and provide you guys with quality content. Thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.